Today, I'm reviewing EZDubs, an AI-powered translation app that's making waves for how it bridges language barriers in real time. Whether it's for business meetings, international relationships, or just chatting with friends from across the globe, EZDubs promises smooth, emotional, and natural communication across multiple languages. So, how does it work? EZDubs uses advanced AI translation that not only translates what you say, but also mimics your original voice, tone, and emotion. This gives a far more human touch compared to robotic translators. The app also boasts near zero latency, which means conversations feel fluid and natural almost, like speaking the same language in real time. Even better, for phone calls, only one person needs the app, making it convenient for talking to anyone, even on landlines. EZDubs also integrates with platforms like Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams, offering live translations during video meetings. Plus, it supports voice messages, texts, and multilingual group chats, so you can communicate across over 30 supported languages seamlessly. Now, let's talk about what users are saying. On the positive side, many praise the real-time speed and emotional accuracy. One user even said it helped deepen their connection with a partner who speaks another language. Others called it a game changer for international business and family conversations. However, there are some downsides. A few users reported call clarity issues, confusing interfaces, and dropped connections on weaker networks. The premium pricing also raised eyebrows, with some plans costing up to $49.99 a month or over $200 a year. Overall, EZDubs is a powerful translation tool that's redefining real-time communication, but it comes at a cost. Thank you for watching this video.